Hey Jacksonville, listen up. You know the Florida heat is no joke, but what if I told you there's a way to beat it? Meet our cool cat, the symbol of ultimate comfort. We've been certified total comfort specialists with Trane since 1967. We're not just experts, we're the authority on keeping you cool. You see this cool cat? He's not just a mascot, he's a lifestyle. And you can be part of it. Join the Cool Cat Comfort Club. Membership isn't just a card, it's a ticket to a life of comfort. Priority service, exclusive discounts, and the peace of mind you've been searching for. And let me be clear, we're on call 24/7. Rain, shine, or hurricane, we've got your back. So, make the call. Dial 904-268-3800 now. Join the Cool Cat Comfort Club and elevate your comfort game. Trust me, you won't regret it.